Okay, you're looking into investing in the Yamaha guitalele. I think I'm saying that right. GL1. This thing, it is a nice little tool to add to your arsenal. And let me tell you about a few different things you can do it with. You can do with it. First off, it is tuned just like a guitar, but to A. So if you're a player, just put your capo on the 5th fret. You're gonna get the same exact feel. It's got a great sound. It's very easy to play. It's nylon strings, just like an ukulele, but it's got the 2 extra strings to it. So essentially you're just building up the chord and you can play it just like a guitar. It's gonna work just fine for that. It's pretty durable, it's portable. Some ideas you can use it if you have kids and they want to experiment and you don't want to go too big, or just they're shorter, you want to start them earlier, you can start with this and you can teach them the basic shapes of a regular guitar chord and that'll work. The nylon strings makes it a little bit easier on the fingers, a little bit easier to play with. If you're gigging, it'll definitely mix things up for your next show. If you're experimenting at the open mic night, it's a nice little tool to carry around. Let's say you like to jam at the office at your break or something. It's good that you could leave around the office or in your workspace. That's another great idea. You could leave it in your car. I mean, I wouldn't leave it in your car. Never leave an instrument in like a hot car or whatnot. But definitely easy to travel with. Comes with a gig bag. It's great to use. At jam nights, if you're hanging out by the fire or whatnot and you have some friends around, you want an extra one, you can pass it around, give it a different sound so you're not playing the same exact instrument. I think it is a great tool to add to your arsenal for a beginner or an experienced player or someone that tours around a lot and gets around a lot and wants something to bring with them that isn't a full-size guitar. Also doesn't want to go, crazy baking into the old bank account. All right, it's a great tool. I highly recommend it.